Hello everyone, welcome back to Nirja Education channel. I hope you all are doing well. Before we start this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the notifications. In the previous video, we learned about how to insert the shapes. In this video, I am going to show you more options under illustrations group under the insert tab. So let's start that. This is your Smartart. If you select on that, it will insert a Smartart graphic to visually communicate information. Select it and then as you can see, so many options they have given. You must have seen this kind of Smartart in your textbooks. So let's go for the hierarchy one, and as you can see, they have given this one. Suppose you want to write down the generations of the computer, so which are the 5 generations of the computer, and how to write down in a tabular form or in a hierarchy manner. So let's see that. Click on the half circle organization chart and then press OK button. As you can see over here, I am going to write computers, and here I am going to write the generations. Which means that I am going to write here generations of computer, which is first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation and fifth generation. So first generation, then here second generation, here third generation. What about fourth and fifth? So for that, right click and then add shape, in which you will find these options: add shape after, before, above, below or the assistant. So I am going to go for selecting the shape after. So as you can see, fourth one we got, so fourth generation. Again right click on that, add shape after, fifth generation. Okay, so this is how you create the hierarchy manner list, and then you can increase the size by dragging its ends. So from format you can change the word art styles over here. Text fill you can keep as black if you want it darker manner. Outline, let's take the weight of outline 3 pt, and color, let's take a yellow color or the red color if you want. Right, so this is how you made your hierarchy manner. As soon as you insert this, you will have the design tab and the format tab. From the design tab, you can change the colors. So let us take the green color, and from the Smartart style, you can change the style of the Smartart. Okay, so this is how you change your Smartart style. Here layouts, if you want to change it to the another manner. So let's say this one. So this, how does it work? We will keep this as it is. Then text pane, which will show you the text which you have written in the table. Right to left will switch the layout of the Smartart graphic between left to right and right to left. And then add shapes, which will add a shape to the Smartart graphic, which we don't want right now. So as you can see over here, I have written computer and the generation over here. If you want this part to be deleted, select it and press the delete key. So it will be deleted, and complete your heading as generations of computers. So this is how you insert your Smartart in your Word document. For more videos, please stay tuned with Nirja Education and keep learning with it.